If you want to record multiple tracks, Audacity has a very easy way to do that. Set your microphone and other recording settings and click the red record button. This is the first track, no issue in the recording. To start recording in another track, one option is to go to Tracks, Add New, and choose mono or stereo based on your need. The simplest way to do that is to use a keyboard shortcut. Take your mouse over the red record button and a tooltip will appear. To record in the new track, it suggests using keyboard shortcut Shift-R. Shift-R opens another track and starts recording in that from the beginning. It is very easy and convenient to record in this way. Once you start recording in a new track, other tracks will be played back. If you have a loud output device, chances are new recording will get some of those playback sounds. To prevent that, mute all other tracks. If you now start recording, other tracks will not be played back, so the output device will not play those tracks as you record a new one. You can mix recording in mono tracks and stereo tracks. If you choose the stereo recording channel, new track will start recording in the stereo. Here all the tracks are labeled the same audio track 1. I can rename these labels by double-clicking on the labels. These labels are a new addition to Audacity, and you can shift the tracks to left or right. After recording multiple tracks, you can also export them separately. To export all the tracks, go to File, Export Multiple. You can choose where to save these files and the file format for those. I will keep those as WAV. You can edit metadata when exporting tracks. When you play any audio in music players, this metadata may scroll. Also, this metadata can help to store additional information about the file. Feel free to use its potential to the fullest. All the tracks are now exported successfully. It is also possible to open multiple tracks in Audacity in the same project. After having one track opened or recorded, import the next audio files. If you open the next files, it will open a separate Audacity window. To keep in one project, go to Import, then Audio. Choose your audio file, and it will be opened as a separate track. You can open as many tracks as you need. You can also move tracks up or down. You can combine or mix all the tracks into one single track. Select all the tracks, and then go to Mix. Mix and Render will make one track from all the tracks. All tracks are now combined to mix. If you want to keep other tracks as it is and mix them into a new track, choose this option. Now we see a total of 4 tracks. 3 tracks were before and a new mix track is created at the bottom. Thanks for watching and please like this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch the video on the screen.